Hi friends, it's Jazz. Today we're going to be doing another shoe unboxing. You want to know why? Because quarantine, that's why. Can I just get a thumbs up for putting lipstick on, because this took me a long time. I also put on perfume, and I don't know why. I thought you guys could smell me, but you can't, because I'm here and you're there. We are doing a KILLSTAR shoe unboxing, and this is my first time I have ever ordered from KILLSTAR. Do you see that? We are the weirdos. Like my elbow. If that's not weird enough for you, then I don't know what is. Cute. What is this? Do not eat me. Oh my god! Is this not me? I ruined it. Look at this. This is the cutest shoebox I have ever owned. Oh my gosh, you guys, the inside of the box is cute too. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. These are so beautiful. So these are the Enchant Me creepers. They are vegan, so the suede is faux suede, and it has a 2-inch heel. I'm scared because I can barely walk in like sandals. I'm really excited, you guys. These were so freaking cute. They do also come in a boot style. However, I like the creepers more because they're more of like a tennis shoe, I don't know, whatever they're called. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on for you, and we're gonna do the little catwalk. You guys, I'm gonna freaking cry. I love these shoes. I love them so much, but they're so hard to walk in because I'm not used to the heel. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna die. Also, my socks have pizzas on them. Wow! These might be my favorite pair of shoes that I have ever laid my eyes on. Alrighty guys, that was it for my yet another shoe unboxing, because quarantine just... I've been buying all the shoes. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Also, I would like to add that I am not sponsoring this video. I paid for this with my own money. Thank you so much for watching. If you could please do so, go ahead and thumbs up this video. Give it a little love, you know? Subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, you should probably do so, because why not? I mean, like, it doesn't affect you. It helps me out. Just be a good person. Just subscribe. So if you would like to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, I will leave all of the information right here yonder for you. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy all of my videos. And I just really want to say thank you. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for giving me your time. I know right now is really difficult, and I know a lot of people are not able to really deal with it right now. I know I am kind of on and off on the mentally stable wagon, so I want to send all of my love, and I'm gonna cry now. So, alrighty guys, I'm gonna go before I make a fool of myself on YouTube again. Bye guys, I love you.